Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Package X-Ray. This innovative feature allows you to discreetly view the contents of your Amazon packages before opening them. It leverages your Amazon order history, providing a convenient way to identify items, especially useful for gifts or surprises. Imagine knowing exactly what's inside without tearing the wrapping paper. It's a simple, smart solution for managing your deliveries with ease and precision, saving you time and potential awkward moments. To begin using Package X-Ray, first locate the unique barcode on your Amazon package. Next, open the Amazon shopping app on your smartphone or tablet. Within the app, you'll find a camera icon, usually near the search bar. Tap this icon, and then select the Package X-Ray option from the menu that appears. This prepares your device to scan the package, setting the stage for revealing its hidden contents without any physical interaction. Once you've selected the Package X-Ray feature, simply point your device's camera at the barcode on your package. Hold your phone steady and ensure there's adequate lighting for a clear scan. The app will quickly process the barcode and then display a list of all the items contained within that specific package. You can tap on individual items to see more details, including who sent them, making gift identification incredibly straightforward and efficient. For the best experience, always ensure your Amazon shopping app is updated to its latest version. Package X-Ray primarily functions with items shipped directly from Amazon fulfillment centers. While it might not always work for every third-party seller's package, it's incredibly reliable for Amazon-fulfilled orders. Use this feature to confidently sort your deliveries, prevent accidental gift openings, and maintain the element of surprise for loved ones. It's a powerful tool for smart package management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.